Yo, what's up YouTube? It's me, Johnny. I want to thank you for checking out my channel. And today, I want to make you a very powerful antioxidant fruit smoothie. And this is one of my favorite go-tos for my nieces and nephews. This is what I use for young athletes that are training down here in Florida to help the body recuperate, to get that nutrition that their body's looking for, and help them get away from super artificial sweeteners which are found in sugar, soft drinks. And this will help their body heal. This will help their body recover. And like I said, I use it for my nieces and nephews. Probably one of my favorite go-tos. This, my friends who train, who bike ride with me, this is one of the favorite go-to smoothies. And it's very powerful in antioxidants, very nutritional, helps the body recover. All plant-based, all vegan. And this is one, like I said, this is one of my go-tos. And it calls for probably one of the most powerful berries or superfoods on the planet. It's called AMlA, or better known as the Indian gooseberry, also known as AMlA. And I picked this up on Amazon, and you don't have to use much of this, which this recipe calls for. You don't have to use a lot of it. Like I said, this is one of my favorites to go to for young athletes, my nieces and nephew, family members that are looking to replenish the body with nutrition. And what it calls for is for half of AMlA packet, right? So we're going to drop that in there. All right, come on now. It also goes for we're going to use 1 cup of these fruits, all organic. Has loaded with antioxidants, bunch of berries, blueberries, strawberries, dark cherries, raspberries, pomegranate juice, or pomegranate. And this is something I picked up at Costco. So, all right. That's done. Now, I throw in dates, which are optional. I'm going to use 2 today. It's optional whether you want to use more or you want to use less. It all depends on the sweetness, because the drawback to AMlA, or AMlA, is very tart, very bitter, and the dates help sweeten it up so you can suck it down. And that's what my nieces and nephews don't realize, is that this is a superfood and they're sucking it down like it's nothing, and they have no clue what they're drinking. I get them all the time with this. And it's going to call for a banana, right? A ripe banana, so that's in there. And I said 3 dates. Okay, here's the kicker. I'm going to use, tonight I'm going to use, because you want to build a tolerance up for this. This is about 1/2 tablespoon. You don't need a lot of this, because it will taste very bitter. And there's different ways I drink this, and I'm going to do another video on showing if you're worried about the sugar content in this smoothie because you're dealing with cancer or diabetes or whatever it is. I'm going to show you another way that I drink this without all this sugar, and it's like real cheap too. All right, this is about 1/2 teaspoon of the powder. And that goes there. I'm going to make about, this is going to be for about 2 people, so I'm going to put maybe about 3 cups of coconut milk. And Oh man, this thing is delicious. This thing is awesome. You don't even taste the AMlA. You taste the berries, you taste the dates, you taste the banana. All natural, all plant-based, all whole foods. My body knows exactly what to do with this versus giving your kids soda, soft drinks, or Gatorade that suppress the immune system with all the processed sugars that are in it. As far as sugar goes, some people are, I look at it different. I didn't get cancer, or I didn't get a cancer diagnosis from eating fruit. Probably the lack thereof. But for me, what I've studied about the sugar content, especially talking about cancer, is that there's different types of sugar from whole fruits versus refined sugars that really damage the immune system. And this right here is my go-to, like I said, for young athletes, my nieces and nephews. I give them this. Oh, this is good. Followed by not necessarily this brand of water, but I tell them to drink a lot of water. That way it helps pushes and helps flush out toxins or anything that they're dealing with. Helps replenish the body, helps revitalize their cells so they don't become dehydrated and pass out in the sun. Very, very powerful antioxidant smoothie. I want to thank you and for checking out my channel. Remember, you're alive, but are you really living the life that you want to live? Learn to live alive. God bless you. Take care.